2016 Ram 1500 with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, heated rear seats. Take home the car of your dreams today.